some type of blooming plants, African violets, gardenia Amy tree, now $24.88, usually $34. Lots of the same plants that were at the other, or that were at Lowe's just now. The Compactica, Janet Craig Compactica, pretty Dracaenas, the Borromea Marble, pretty Fern Plumosa, that's pretty. They have tons of like $4 plants right here. The Dracaenas are $9, so you see kind of like the difference in size. 6-inch, I guess, pot, 4-inch pot, maybe. Dracaena marginatas for $4.98. Some hanging spider reverse stripe plants. And we have some floor plants over here. Birds of paradise, some type, some color, don't know which ones. Ficus liratus. The ones here outside of the decorative pot are $29.98. Inside of the pot, let's see. Inside of the pot, they're $79.98. Ooh, I found spider plants that are smaller for $12.98. They're cute. I don't know. I really like the curly spider plants. Majesty palms, now $14.88. The price just keeps getting lower and lower. Lots of strings of dolphins and bananas and things. So many succulents, like large amount. What would normally be trailing plants. What was I talking about? More trees. Birds of paradise. The leaves have been through some things, but they're definitely large and mature. Assorted ferns up here, some Kimberly Queens. I haven't seen those. Maybe I have, and I haven't paid attention. The baskets that we saw the other day, they have tons of them, like right here on this wall. Wow, they have an amazing selection here. This marble queen pothos, I think it's gonna be $14. Oh no, it's $11. So that's a good price. Decorative bamboos for $14.99 up there. Then I think they have like individual ones. The small ones are $1 or something. Those probably like $2, $3. So many plants. No price. I don't know how much they are, but then they have these like medium-sized plants here. For some reason, I want to say they're like $10. Some red Congos. Some different Sansevieria varieties. Alocasias. I want to say that's Dracaenas. Ohoya publicalis. That's already on a trellis. How great is that? String of pearls that have bloomed. String of turtles. Oh, there's plants above me too, but here we have peace lilies. If you know, for some reason, every time I see that, I go blank. Some Tradescantias, friendship Pilea plant, some type of philodendron. We do have the urban jungle planters here as well, which I think is really cool. Some ferns, spider plants. Let's see. I don't know who these are. I'm assuming it's some type of Hoya or a lipstick like wax plant. There's curly spider plants, more Tradescantias. At the end, they have Hoya australis. Here's a closer look at the Hoya australis. Hopefully I'm saying that name right. As you can see, they're vining really, really nicely up there. And some philodendron, partly philodendron. Ooh, and they have clearance plants over there. And so now we're just gonna look at the reduced section to see what kind of clearance they have. Some Mariantas, some string ofs. alocasias. I see lots of bugs back there. Probably because they have fresh flowers. It smells like amazing as I don't know what over here. But yeah, those are the reduced plants. Succulents, $3.99. Monstera deliciosa. Dracaenas. Some type of palm. I think I'm done. Dieffenbachia hybrid. It looks like it would do good if it got into like a nice humid home. They have like an absorbent, I don't know what I'm trying to say. They have a large amount of planters. Lots of terracotta. I've never seen this in terracotta. This is beautiful for like a succulent collection. There's music in here, so I'm gonna have to like talk over it nonstop. All of the majestic planters are 20% off, so I guess the shiny ones. All colors and stuff. Are we section B?
This is section B.
For real? Oh, looks like we gotta get out of here. They got it.